Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by installing Proxy Master and confirming app permissions. Do it now. Once done, open Proxy Master and pick a nearby server to minimize ping. Closer servers cut lag. Make sure ball sort is fully closed so the game won't keep an old network session. You want a clear connection path that avoids token or matchmaking errors. Finally, connect the VPN and wait for the active indicator before launching ball sort so the game uses the new route. Once the VPN is active, open ball sort and check any region or server settings the game exposes. Change them only if necessary to match the VPN location. You may need to sign in again. This is normal because the game sees a new IP. Play a short level to confirm match speed and add loading. If ads fail, toggle network settings or restart the app. If performance is good, keep that server selected for subsequent sessions to maintain stability. To finish, lock in the server that gave you the best latency and play normally. If you see disconnects or slowdowns, switch servers first. Different routes can dramatically change performance. Make sure you clear ball sort's cache or reinstall the app when authentication or corrupted files persist. That forces a fresh session tied to the VPN IP. One key troubleshooting tip: if something goes wrong, toggle the VPN off and on. Then relaunch the game to re-establish a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.